You may have seen this video. It's brought back up the idea of culture cards for young people. The plan would see €100 culture cards being given to 18-year-olds to spend on sporting and cultural activities. But what do people actually think of it?
I think overall it's a good idea.
It's a good idea, the video just needs to change.
Yeah, it's just a bit funny.
Yeah.
I would have thought that was fake.
I think the video is good. I think it's very, whoever edited it is definitely quite young and kind of trying to target young people.
And do you think it's a good idea, the culture card?
I'd say it'd be a great idea. I've seen a lot of kids my age not have money or funds at all to be going out and kind of experiencing the city, I guess.
Yeah, so €100 would make a difference.
Yeah.
Like I think
Yeah,
that
like
when you're
matches.
18, you're in your first year of college, so you might not even have a part-time job yet or that kind of things. I think it's great.
Well, it won't go that far, to be honest now. Not in a bad way, but like, if you're looking at a concert, like €100, a lot of concerts you wouldn't get a ticket for 100.
Sounds like a great idea. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'd take €100 to go out and spend on tickets or whatever, but yeah, as Luke said, I don't think it would go very far.
I think it's a great idea. I mean, going out is quite expensive nowadays. So I know people who don't go out at all. So I think it's definitely very helpful.
Yeah, baby!